Bob, I want to tell you something.
Tell me, Jesse, what happened?
I feel very sad.
Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me all the time.
Why do they laugh at you?
They laugh because my English is poor.
Oh, I understand.
I try to speak, but I make mistakes.
Do they laugh every time?
Yes, they laugh almost every time.
That is not good.
I feel scared.
Scared of what?
Scared of speaking English.
But you must try.
I try, but I fail.
Do not worry.
How can I improve?
Start with the simple present tense,
Why simple present tense?
because it is very important.
How is it important?
We use it every day for daily life.
Can you give examples?
Yes, I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
See? These are simple present tense sentences. Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes, but my family does not speak English.
That is okay.
Then, how do I practice?
You can practice with me.
Really?
Yes, practice with me anytime.
Thank you.
Let's practice simple sentences. I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
I like cricket.
I like music.
Now you make some sentences.
I drink milk.
Good. More.
I eat rice.
Very good.
I walk to the market.
Nice sentence.
I play with my sister.
Excellent.
Do you think I can improve easily?
Yes, of course.
Are you proud of me?
Yes, I am proud of you.
Thank you.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early.
Then what?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs.
I do not eat eggs.
What do you eat then?
I eat rice and vegetables.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to the office.
I go to college.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study hard.
I work hard at the office.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Do you understand her?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you ask questions?
No, I feel shy.
Do not feel shy.
My friends laugh.
Forget them. Focus on yourself.
That is difficult.
I know, but try. You spoke well today.
Really?
Yes,
I feel better now.
good. Keep practicing.
But I still make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
My friends do not.
They also make mistakes.
Then why do they laugh at me?
Because they do not understand.
What should I do?
Practice every day.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, but you can watch with subtitles.
Okay, I will try.
Now, say more sentences.
I clean my room. I write in my notebook. I listen to my teacher. I help my mother. I play with my brother. I draw pictures.
Very good.
Do you think I am improving?
Yes, you improve every day.
Do you believe in me?
Yes, I believe in you.
Then I believe in myself. But tell me, why is simple present tense so important?
Because we use it for daily habits, facts, routines, and timetables.
Oh, I understand.
It is the foundation of English.
Like the foundation of a house.
Yes, without it, everything becomes difficult.
So I must master it.
Yes, practice daily.
I will practice every day.
Make 10 sentences daily. Speak them aloud and write them.
Okay, I will do that. I feel strong now.
You are strong.
I can speak English.
Yes, keep going.
Thank you for helping me.
Always welcome.